Just woken up. It's about 8:30, 9 o'clock in the morning. We've opened the curtain and it's been raining. I've checked the weather forecast. It's meant to rain all day. But luckily for us, we're not just sat inside the campervan all day today. We're actually going to go see our friend Vicky, who we met in the Philippines at Campervan Beach near El Nido. So that's the plan for today. I think it'll be a short vlog. It's much colder today than it has been most of the day, so here in sort of a warm jacket to start off with. The clouds are covering up most of the mountains in the back of the view. The lake's still pretty, and we've got Paris here cleaning her teeth. We stopped by Fairlie Bakery, one of the best bakeries in New Zealand. Paris got a steak, cheese and mushroom pie. I got steak and cheese, and we also found a pistachio crapping, which is a cross between a croissant and a muffin. How was the pie, babe?
This was really good.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Living in luxury tonight, back in the actual room.